Race for Archer County Attorney might still be up for grabs, even though Jordan Barron won the Republican primary for the seat last night without a Democratic candidate on the ballot.
Yeah, the race might have a little steam left, however. Aaron Gonders is joining us now with this story. Aaron.
Yeah, the race for Archer County Attorney might not over be quite yet. Jordan Barron won the primary on Tuesday, but there might be a new addition to come in November as an independent. I went to Archer City today to talk to Connor Dean about how he's facing the challenge of one of the tougher paths to office. Running as an independent is always one of the more difficult paths a politician can take. Even though the primary is over, Connor Dean intends to get on the ballot in that same way for Archer County Attorney in November. To get there will mean some extra steps, since he wasn't in the party primaries to begin with.
In order to do that, I will have to file a nominating petition as well as an application to be on the ballot with the filing authority sometime this summer. I believe it's the end of June.
Dean arrived late to the scene because he was passing the bar exam in February, which is required to run for the office. He had wanted to run on the Republican ticket, but it was too late to register for Super Tuesday. Now he's in this situation. He needs a certain number of signatures on the petition, but they can't just come from any voter in Archer County.
It has to have a certain level of signature, or a certain amount of signatures on it based on, I believe it's past voter numbers. I'm not really sure. That's a state mandated requirement that I get a certain amount of signatures on the petition. Unfortunately, they have to be from voters who chose not to vote in the primaries.
Dean has less than 4 months to get the required amount of signatures before he can be considered for the general election ballot in November. If Dean gets approved by the Secretary of State, Jordan Barron will not be running unopposed when November comes around. If you want more information on how this process works, click inside the story at Texomashomepage.com.
It's going to be interesting to see what happens here. Okay, thanks so much, Aaron.